Welcome back to another video. How awesome would it be if you could drink one thing before bed to lose unwanted pounds? It's very simple to make and only has a few ingredients. Let's get into it. 1. Cucumber. 1 full cucumber diced up into a glass of water. 2. Parsley. Handful of parsley or cilantro. 3 lemon. 1 squeezed lemon to help rid your body of built-up toxins. 4. Grated ginger. 1 tablespoon of grated ginger to help you burn off fat while you sleep. 5. Aloe vera juice. It is full of antioxidants that help block free radicals that cause bloating and swelling. Drink this juice mix before bed and you'll wake up feeling more energetic and lighter. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.